everybody, it's Chris from the Droning Company here today with a very interesting company here at Xponential 2024 in San Diego, California. We're here with LunaLite. We've got Adrian and Arturo here. Guys, you got some really cool products sitting on the shelf here. We've taken a look at them. We talked to you guys about what they do. Share, what are you trying to accomplish here with these products?
So listen, our goal is actually to be the #1 drone light show company here in the United States.
Cool.
We service the US, Central America, South America, and the Caribbean.
Okay.
And yeah, the bottom line is that we do amazing drone light shows, whether they're 500 drones, 600, or 1,000 drones. We are the ones that you would call. So we're here at Xponential, myself, my business partner, Arturo Lord, and we're showcasing some of the drones that we use right now in our drone shows, and also some of our newer technology that we're applying.
And I know a lot of people, when they see drone light shows, are fascinated about what they do. I mean, a picture in the background here, you've got a guy doing a pull-up, and that is amazing.
Yes.
What are the biggest challenges in this space in terms of integrating and creating a system that works cohesively? I mean, what's the biggest challenge?
You know what? I would say the biggest challenge is probably trying to be as creative as possible, or being more creative than the last project.
Yeah.
You know, it's a fun environment, a fun business. Clients love it. People are wowed by the execution. We could go as far as creating QR codes that's scannable from miles away.
That's cool.
Right?
Yeah.
Right?
Very cool.
People love that. And, you know, we just essentially try to spend a lot of time making sure that the execution of our drone shows are seamless. So another, I guess, element of complication would be the time it takes to lay out the drones. So if you have a good team that's supporting you and you have enough people to lay out the drone, that's probably, would you say, the hardest part, Arturo? Yeah? Aside from that, just hope for no rain and no hurricanes.
That's every drone though, right?
Exactly. So if there's torrential rain, which some clients worry about, you know, what happens if rain is falling? I said, well, there won't be anyone outside to look at it, right? So, but you know, those would be the two biggest issues that we stay away from. But luckily enough, we haven't had that problem. Okay,
that's excellent. Now I got two more questions for you. First of the two questions is, tell us about maybe your most impressive project. What's been the thing that you've deployed your systems out and it's just been like, wow, that was awesome?
We did a very big project at a place called Tropical Park in Miami.
Okay.
We executed with 1,000 drones.
Wow.
It was during the Christmas season. And we heard that people were stopping on the highway. I mean, people were just blown away, right? So we told the whole Christmas story, all with 1,000 drones.
That's amazing. Yeah. That is so cool. Yeah. Now, last question. People want to find out more about LunaLite, your platforms, your solutions, your company. Where can they find you? Okay, so LunaLite, you can find us on Instagram, TikTok, and our website at LunaLiteDroneShow.com. Okay. And you could also, where else could you find us, Arturo? Twitter and X, and on YouTube. Okay, excellent. Yeah. Hey, I appreciate you guys so much. Thanks for your time, Adrian, Arturo, really appreciate it.
Thanks for showcasing.
Make sure you check them out, LunaLite, check them out across all major social media platforms. These guys are great to work with, very easy to work with. They've got my seal of approval. So thanks so much. We'll see you guys next time.
Thank you.
Excellent, thank you.
Buddy, cool.